myself and Shane here today, and we are at GroundsFest 2024. So we're going to be going around showing you guys the latest tools that there are to offer coming into 2025 as well. Ego have got a load of new kit coming out this year, so want to stay tuned for that. I can show you that stuff, and we're also just going to walk around and show you lots of other different things and tools that are available. A little bit about GroundsFest as well is it's not your typical tool fair, it's, or should I say, tool show. It's a hands-on tool show, so you can come here, you might be able to hear the blower in the background going already, but you can try out all the tools and, you know, just get hands-on with them, so you don't sort of, you can get a feel for them, feel the weight of the tools and stuff like that. I'm waffling on now. So let's get cracking, guys, and we'll see you in there. So there, let's have a little walk about. So let's show you guys what's around. Look, we bumped into CJ Gardens.
Hello, mate.
How are you doing, mate?
Good,
you having a good one?
Having a good one.
Yeah, brilliant, guys.
Been good.
Give him a follow. His lawns are. Mate, this is ridiculous.
You don't figure it out?
I feel like I can't drive it as well. I have a little bit, yeah. Right, send me one of these out, mate. How's it going? Right, so we're going round Ego's, having a go on the Ego mower, but this is a steering wheel. This has got 0 turn. Got Curtis coming up behind me at the minute. CJ Gardens there. It's a lot of fun. Need some leaves.
Scarify some more.
Oh yeah, there. There you go, it's a goner. It's gone. New for 2025, we've got the Ego multi-tool. And new for 2025, we've got the attachment, which is a scarifying attachment. Yeah, a little bit of overlap. Yeah, it's not bad, is it? Right, so you might have seen the previous video with the new scarifier and the combo unit coming in 2025. And there is also a brand new Ego blower. This is coming new to 2025. Got the handle support there. So we're gonna go and give the bottom of the scarifier a quick clean off. But this comes with a turbo setting, and it's got quite a bit of kick to it. So let's go and give that a little bit of a clean off. Right, we've got CJ Gardens here. Curtis, what we got?
We've got the new Ego LBX 1000 handheld blower.
And a basketball.
And a basketball.
And what are you going to do?
I'm going to blow you away.
Nice. Look who we bumped into, guys. It is the Premier Lawns. So, introduce yourself, guys. If you're not.
So, what about you? I'm Robbie. Now, for anyone that doesn't understand Belfast talk, that's hello. Do you know you're going to have to put subtitles in this video?
We might have to put subtitles in this video. I mean, to be honest, last night we were having a few drinks and I was getting a bit more drunk. I was thinking, I'm not quite sure what he's saying now.
Lots of nodding.
That's it, yeah. Guys, if you haven't, or you're not already following Premier Lawns, check them out on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok as well.
And we shout out the podcast.
And the podcast as well, guys. Roots to revenue. Everyone, it's been a while, so step back.
We're hoping he won't.
Yeah, I think he'll be all right.
He'll be. If he's been on the he'll set off straight away.
Right, we'll be back in a couple of hours. Might as well go get a coffee, guys. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the colour's awesome.
Yeah, yeah, it is. Yeah. And it's all aluminium as well. Oh, right. Sorry, aluminum. Let's get it right. Aluminum. Aluminum.
What's aluminum?
Yeah, they've been telling us for years this aluminum. We don't know what it is. Right?
Yeah, you should try aluminium.
Yeah, that's right. We gave them a good language, and all they did was mess it up.
No, thank you very much for your time, though, guys. Yeah, so that. So you literally just saw the 74. That's a 96 right there. That's coming this year. So look at that. 96 pure inches. So guys, you just saw Shane on the green, what was it? The mean green was it Vanquish?
Tornado, something like that.
Mate, that, I mean,
It's got some power.
he loved it.
I love a rider.
Good man. Right, what are we looking at? I mean, that's light as anything, that.
Nice size though, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Not sure the box matches the size up.
Small, isn't it?
Two blades. Two blades are better than one. What is that?
Autonomous bank or autonomous mower.
Okay.
This one,
and they collected a lot of
they're full range, but this one's fully autonomous with GPS.
Yeah.
So like solar farm stuff like that, you draw it out with a map.
Yeah.
On like on an app,
Unfortunately,
and then it will cut for itself.
Nice. You've got two Ego batteries in there. I like that though, it retracts back. Oh, combi station, mate. We can't use this in the UK, mate. We can't.
You can find somewhere.
You never find you'll use it. Honestly. Like, the thing is with them is in America they've got the perfect sidewalks to use them.
And they have the scissors.
The scissor rotary car, yeah, that's nice, mate. It's a good bit of kit. Hey?
Just a couple of mil watches.
Oh, you
I
can
know.
film me, are you? Excellent, love it.
Oh, bollocks.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, one.
Well done.
No.
Hey, you can have another go. It's a practice one.
One again. We're going to go for outside the board now. Oh.
Oh, 21.
Oh. 5.
What's that, 26?
26. Yeah.
Oh.
Right, you have a go. This is going on YouTube. We've got 167,000 followers on YouTube. It might be worth giving me a hat. I could promote you.
You can put it on 5 minutes.
Right, here you go, Shane.
What? What will you say about us?
Huh?
Do you buy from us already?
No, I've
Why
never
not?
even heard of you.
You haven't heard of us?
No.
Right, in that case then, I'm going to bombard you now with business. So that you've got, if I give you a cap, then
Oh, if I get a cap, right, so if I get a cap, guys, Tudor Environments, environmental, there we go.
I want to see it on
It's got right, there we go.
I want to see
Go
it on later.
Go on YouTube, yeah, go on YouTube, Acres Lawn Care, you'll see it on. The
got
world's
the bag?
worst dart player, right here.
Hang on, can you swap hats?
Cheers, guys, thanks very much, take care. So guys, as well as an outdoor event, it is also an indoor event as well. So there's loads more to see indoors as well. So we're just gonna go and have a little look and see what's going on in indoors. We have just been at GroundsFest, guys, as you've seen, and it was very exciting. There are loads and loads of stuff you can see here, and as I said before in the video, the greatest thing about the actual show is that you can come along and get hands-on with the tools. So as you've seen in some of the videos, we are able to pick them up and test them and use them. So that's the greatest thing about GroundsFest. So next year, guys, in September, they'll be running GroundsFest again. So if you are interested and you want to get yourself down to GroundsFest, it is free to register. Well, it was free to register this year, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be free to register next year. So guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe.